How to test whether a solution is a base using phenolphthalein indicator? Take 3 glass beakers. Add water into the first beaker, hydrochloric acid into the second beaker, and sodium hydroxide solution into the third beaker, which is a base. We will use phenolphthalein solution as an acid-base indicator. Add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein solution in the first beaker containing water. Observe any changes. Water remains colorless. Then add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein solution in the second beaker containing hydrochloric acid. Observe any changes. Acid remains colorless. At last add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein solution in the third beaker containing sodium hydroxide solution. What did you observe? Solution turns pink in color, indicating that sodium hydroxide is a base. What did you conclude? Conclusion is that phenolphthalein remains colorless in acidic and neutral solutions but changes to pink in base solutions. Hence, we are able to test whether a solution is a base using phenolphthalein as indicator. Hope you liked the experiment.